Hi, I'm Sam Silverstein. I believe accountability is sustainability. How often have we read books in years past and then we find that the examples in those leadership books, those business books about certain organizations, well, those organizations aren't performing that same way today, or maybe they're even out of business. Companies that led the list of top performing organizations 10, 15 years ago, many times do not even exist today, or if they do, they are simply a shell of their former self. What's the reason for this? Is it that the industry has changed? Is it their product or service has changed? I believe it comes down to accountability. I believe it comes down to creating an organizational culture where accountability is inspired, where it is prioritized, and where people choose to be accountable, and in doing so, they choose to be their best. When a team of individuals come together that want to be their best and perform at their best, then their organization is naturally going to perform at a higher level. And when an organization is hitting on all cylinders, well, that organization is not only going to thrive today, but they're going to thrive moving into the future. So what creates this accountability in your team? What creates this sustainable organization? It starts with leadership. Everything rises and falls on leadership. And accountable leadership knows that accountability starts with them. Accountability is not a whip to use to manipulate people to do more. And accountability is not a ball and chain that your people use to keep tabs on you as a leader. Accountability is keeping your commitments to people. And specifically, those are commitments that go towards building that connective tissue between people, the relationships. When your relationships with your people deepen, then what happens is you naturally want to perform at a higher level. If I know that you as my leader are committed to me, my well-being, my safety, my growth as an individual, then when I know you have my best interest at heart, guess what? You get my best interest. And I want to be committed to you. I want to see you achieve your goals. I want the organization to thrive. So if you're looking for short-term gains, maximize your profit in the quarter. That's fine. But if you're looking for long-term growth, if you're looking for long-term sustainability, then as a leader, it's imperative that we become accountable to our people and that we create a corporate culture, an environment that inspires people to want to be their best and to want to always be accountable. If you love this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next time.